Hello students, welcome to Toppscholars. Today we will learn about some of the important geography questions. The following questions have been appearing in different years of paper. So it's kind of important, right? The first question has appeared in previous papers of 2014, 2013 and 2012 respectively. Let's begin with the key concepts that must be present in your answers. Compare the advantages and disadvantages of multi-purpose river projects, or state the advantages and disadvantages of multi-purpose river projects, or write about the merits and demerits of multi-purpose river projects. Many river valley projects have been started for the integrated economic and social development of the river basins. Advantages of multi-purpose projects: A. Dams are built for irrigation. B. They generate electricity. C. They provide water. D. They help in industrial development. E. They control floods. F. They help in recreation and navigation. G. They help in fish breeding. Many benefits are obtained simultaneously, so they are called multi-purpose projects. Disadvantages of multi-purpose projects: A. They affect the natural flow of rivers. B. This results in poor sediment flow and excessive sedimentation at the bottom of the reservoir. C. It results in poor habitats for aquatic life in the river. The next question has been asked in the papers of 2016, 2015, 2014, 2012 and 2011. So we must surely not miss it out. Which modern adaptation of traditional rainwater harvesting is carried out to conserve and store water? Or describe how modern adaptation of traditional rainwater harvesting are carried out to conserve and store water. Or describe any 4 modern adaptations of traditional rainwater harvesting in different parts of India. The main points that we should remember are: several low-cost techniques are now available to recharge groundwater and harvest rainwater. Point 1. A. Construction of pre-collection ponds. B. Refilling of duck wells. C. Collection of rainwater and storing it in tanks or underground. Point 2. Rooftop rainwater harvesting in Shillong and Meghalaya, where 15 to 25% of actual rainwater requirement is met, is collected through pipes into underground tanks. Point 3. Rooftop rainwater harvesting is being successfully implemented in both rural and urban India to conserve and store water. Point 4. In Jendadur, Karnataka, 200 households have installed a rainwater harvesting system, resulting in an annual net harvest of 1 lakh liters from 20 houses. Point 5. Bamboo drip is a traditional method used in Meghalaya to transport water from streams and springs using bamboo pipes. The next question that appeared in 2014 and 2011 paper is: the advancement of international trade in a country is an index to its prosperity. Support the statement with suitable examples. Or, no country can survive without international trade in the present global world. Explain the statement. Or, how does international trade contribute to a nation's economic growth and prosperity? Let us know the answer. No country is self-sufficient in all its needs, and differences in resources, needs and development among nations create conditions for international trade between them, as goods produced by one country are required by another. B. It helps exchange surplus goods with those of deficit countries through foreign trade. C. Foreign trade has helped India improve its productivity of manufactured goods. International trade significantly boosted India's economic growth, thereby increasing the income level of its citizens and thereby increasing its foreign exchange reserves. E. International trade helps India import advanced technology from other countries to improve its own production. F. Thus, the property of a country depends on the advancement of international trade and hence it is called the economic barometer of a nation. Now let us know about the question that appeared in the 2014 and 2015 papers. Explain resource planning. What are the steps involved in resource planning? Or why is resource planning essential in India? Or what is resource planning? Why is a resource planning essential? Explain it for 3 reasons. Let us know the answer. India has uneven resource distribution, with some regions having abundant resources but lacking in others. This makes resources planning essential. For example, Jharkhand, which is rich in minerals and coal deposits, lacks industrialization, whereas Rajasthan, which is rich in solar and wind energy, lacks water resources. Planning your resources is therefore necessary for effective resource use. Effective resource planning will help in the effective use of the resources available in the environment. B. Secondly, the environment is heavily reliant on scarce resources such as petrol, which cannot be replenished. If these resources are not conserved and used responsibly, they could cause significant harm, as the nation's reliance on petrol is irreversible. C. Thirdly, resource planning is crucial for minimizing waste and overutilization of resources. The initial step involves creating a list of available resources which help assess their usage and determine the appropriate amount to prevent overuse and waste. The country's increasing energy consumption necessitates the urgent development of sustainable energy development and energy savings. The next question has appeared in 2011, 2015 and 2016 papers. Suggest and explain any 3 measures to solve this burning problem, or in the present day energy crisis, which step will you take to save energy? The answer is, the following steps can be taken to save energy. Point 1. Judicious use of energy resources. Point 2. Use of public transport / carpool. Point 3. To use a bicycle for short distance. Point 4. Switching off electrical gadgets when not in use. Point 5. Regular cleaning of gas burners and switching off the gas regulator when not in use. Point 6. Avoid using refrigerator / AC when not needed. Point 7. Creating awareness in the neighborhood with catchy slogans. Point 8. As India has been blessed with an abundance of sunlight, water, wind and biomass, we must use these to overcome the present day energy crisis. With this, we come to the end of this session. Hope this will be helpful in terms of your exams. All the best.